Hi guys, how's it going? Sorry, it's windy outside. My looks don't matter, all right? I know certain people get treated a certain way, and how they feel on the inside usually shows on the outside, but I don't want anybody comparing themselves to me. You are your own individual person, okay? And I am my own. So you don't have to copy me. You don't have to do what I do. You just do your own thing. Love you, please do. Anyways, the message I got. Lately, I'm going to get the stand for this because I don't want to hold it. It's all shaky and stuff. Lately, I have been... Oh, and I have Calypso outside. So everything's melted and the cats are like going, yay, we can go in and out now. Every fucking time. Download about donating blood or plasma or anything like that, and this just fell on the ground. So that's my painting, one of my paintings. I'm an artist, by the way. If you're interested, smartalternativemuseart.com. There are prints available. But this just came out, okay? That's my attempt to do a tartan, and it is very intricate and very difficult, and I admire those that do that sort of work when it comes to like creating tartans for their family history, but bloodlines. So if you've been following my channel, and those that are new, I did ancestry, and I found out about my hidden lineage, and I found out about my family that I didn't even know existed till now, and I love each and every one of you. Shout out. You've been very kind to me. I've kind of been putting it off to continue the family tree, and because it gives you like a template to build your own family tree and add people, because there's so many. But I was guided to look into the whole idea of donating blood. And I was like, well, I've never wanted to do that before because of the controversy. And since I've wanted to decide to donate blood, if I go and do that, like, is it secure, all this stuff? And there was actually, as I was in the process of doing this, there was something that came to my attention for protection too, when it comes to the information for Canadians and when they donate and stuff. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't go help, because they do need blood and it only lasts so long, and plasma, and I'm not here to, what do you call that, promote that or anything, because I'm not getting paid for it. But there is, I guess, an issue of security, but I was advised to go do it, and I've done it for the first time. And it was fairly pleasant. When I was there was actually a lady that I got the chair number 5. Okay, that was significant, 5 and 5. And then the lady that was starting to set me up on the chair, she had this necklace, and it was like the Golden Snitch. Okay, so I took that into account. And then there was another lady there. She was younger, and she's very bubbly. She was talking to another client, I guess you would say, or donated person. And anyways, I got to keep this short because I only have so much time. But yeah, there's something to do with that for the collective, okay? If you're being urged to do it, use your own discernment, and if you don't feel comfortable, then don't. But people do need help too, and I'm gonna find out what my actual blood type is, and that's significant for me on my journey. And yeah, I don't know what else I could say about this, because I've got 4 minutes and 22 seconds. I got 3:53 and I'm wasting time. I know Divine's trying to get me to do all these different things and projects, and it's just overwhelming. But stay calm, stay grounded. Remember to love you, please do. Any information that you have or that you can collect for your own history and your bloodline is very important for your journey. That's all I can say at this time. That's it. I don't know. Hope this helps.